Welcome to our channel, where today you'll learn how to unlock the power of your Big Cartel dashboard with a simple login guide. Welcome to our channel. If you're new to Big Cartel and want to start managing your online store, the first step is logging into your dashboard smoothly and confidently. Let's walk through it step by step so you can access all the amazing tools Big Cartel offers for your business. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Big Cartel's official website. At the home page, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you're prompted to enter your credentials. Next, enter the email address you used when you signed up for your Big Cartel account. Make sure this email is accurate because it's how the platform identifies you. Then, carefully enter your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, there's a handy Forgot Password option right below the login fields. Clicking it will guide you through resetting your password using your email. Once you've entered your login information correctly, click the Login button below the fields to proceed. If your details are correct, you'll be directed to your Big Cartel dashboard. This dashboard is your control center where you can add new products, manage orders, customize your store's look, and much more. Remember, always keep your login credentials secure to protect your business. If you encounter any problems logging in, double-check your information or visit the Big Cartel Help Center for assistance. By following these clear, easy steps, you can confidently log in and start growing your online store without delays. Don't forget to bookmark the login page for quick access next time. Thank you for watching and keep building your dream with Big Cartel.